Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove a doorknob. For your tools, you would need a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. Begin removing the doorknob from inside the room. Look for the release button of the doorknob at its neck. It's this part here. Push the release button with a flathead screwdriver while pulling the doorknob away. Around the doorknob's cover, look for a slot or an opening. Pry the cover using a flathead screwdriver through the opening. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the two screws on the mounting plate. Then remove the mounting plate. Pull the external knob out along with the cylinder. Remove the two screws on the faceplate. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry the faceplate to remove the latch assembly. Be patient with this part. Install a new doorknob by following the process in reverse. I hope that helps you understand how to remove and replace a doorknob.